So as you may notice, the icon in here are different from this one. And this one is more beautiful than the others. So to add this icon to our app, first of all, you need to go to pub.dev. You need to search for Flutter icons. And we need to install this package, Flutter_icons. Let's go to install, copy this, go to pub spec.yaml file, and paste it here and save the file. You can also, to download the new package, you can also run flutter packages get. It's same. If it didn't get downloaded once you save the file, you can just run this command in here. So now we can use this package in our application, but first of all, let me show you what this package contains. For example, if we go for feather icons, for example, or for every icons, you can see what each package contains. And you can choose any icon that suits you. So now it's available to be added in our project. So let me go here, change this one. I actually prefer to use the feather package because I really like it, but you can change it as much as you want. And in here I will use feather.ss. There's no icon in the search, but I will change it later in the floating action bar. And here I actually prefer to use in here the material community icons .cart. And for the user I will use the feather also .user. And finally we need to change the floating action button icon. So I will just feather.search and it's recognized. And first of all, don't forget to import the package to your project. So now if I refresh it, as you can see, the bottom already changed. But as you can see now, it's a little bit annoying to change each button from here. So why don't we create a new class and save our icon Flutter project in the new file? So whenever we want to change any icon, we can go to this file and change it. So in here, I will create a new folder called consts. I will create a new file called, for example, my icons.dart, and I will create a new class called let's say my app icons, and in here we need to create the new Flutter icons. So let me add once icon data, and you need to give it a name. For example, I will save first one as icon home, and for sure we need to import the material package. And you can add now the feather.home, and we need to repeat the same thing for the other icons. Copy. I'll paste it 4 times. This one for the RSS, this one for the search, user.search, and this one for the user, in here, user. And lastly, we need to change this to the cart, but I prefer to choose here, as we did before, material community icons, cart. Now we need to use this class instead of what we did before. So let's go back to the bottom bar. In here we need to write our class name, and instead of this we need to paste this here, import the package and add it. So I will just change the named icons here and in here, and finally we need to change the search button. I will start the application once more, and as you can see nothing changed, but for sure this way is too much practical and so much easier to use. And if you need to change any icon later, you can just change it from here. For example, if I change this for example as icons like before and restart my application again, this button will change in here. So just let me reverse it as was before, as feather, and I will start my application again, and here we go.